Ever wished your keyboard could transport you back in time, but still keep up with today's lightning-fast demands? Well, the EWEADN TK100 Typewriter keyboard promises exactly that, blending vintage charm with modern mechanical prowess. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a statement piece for your desk. Right out of the box, the TK100 makes an impression. Its retro typewriter-style round keycaps are a standout feature, crafted with double-shot injection for incredible durability and a clear backlight that really pops. They're not just pretty, the stepped floating design feels surprisingly natural under your fingertips, making each keystroke a precise and satisfying experience. And with ergonomic foot support, those long typing sessions or intense gaming marathons become a lot less tiring. Underneath those charming keycaps, you'll find highly durable mechanical blue switches. For anyone who loves that tactile feedback and a crisp, audible click, these switches are a dream. They respond faster and more quickly than membrane keyboards, which is fantastic for both rapid-fire gaming commands and speedy document creation. It truly elevates the typing feel. The build quality is also something to talk about. The keyboard panel itself is made from a high-quality aluminum alloy, giving it a smooth, delicate surface that feels premium and is surprisingly easy to clean and scratch-resistant. Then there's the unique white backlighting. It's not just functional, it's genuinely aesthetic and cool, especially on the black finish. With 19 preset light effects that you can cycle through using FN and INS, or number keys, plus adjustable brightness and breathing speed, you can customize the vibe to perfectly match your mood or setup. When that backlight kicks in, this keyboard instantly looks brand new and awesome bright. Functionality hasn't been overlooked either. This 104-key layout includes dedicated quick-access buttons for media control. Think volume, backlight effects, play pause, and track switching, all right at your fingertips. And for the gamers out there, the anti-ghosting technology is a huge win. Every single keystroke is accurately registered, even when you're mashing multiple keys in a high-speed combo. Each key is powered by an independent switch, which really does elevate your gameplay. But it's not just for gaming. Its ergonomic design makes it equally suited for long office hours. Connectivity is a breeze. It's a simple USB-A wired connection, making it truly plug-and-play. No drivers, no software installation needed. Just connect it to your PC, Mac, laptop, tablet, or desktop, and you're ready to go. It's universally compatible, which is always a plus. EWEADN also mentions their commitment to operating responsibly and sustainably, which is a nice touch in today's world. And for peace of mind, it comes with a generous 48-month brand support. So, what's the verdict on the EWEADN TK100? If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that marries stunning retro aesthetics with solid modern performance, offering a satisfying typing experience, customizable backlighting, and robust build quality, this one is an absolute winner. It's a fantastic blend of style and substance that will definitely turn heads.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.